Welcome to our geometry series. In this video, we are going to explore a specific and interesting relationship in circles called the Tangent-Chord Angle Theorem. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how to calculate angles formed where a tangent line meets a chord. First, let's review the basics. A tangent is a line that touches a circle at exactly one unique point. This point is known as the point of tangency. Think of it like a wheel resting on a flat road. The road represents the tangent line. Next, let's look at a chord. A chord is a straight line segment that connects two points on the circle's edge. Unlike the tangent, which stays outside, the chord cuts through the inside of the circle. Now, imagine a scenario where these two meet. We have a tangent line and a chord that starts exactly from the point of tangency. This intersection creates a specific angle between the straight tangent line and the chord. Here is the key rule you need to know. The measure of this angle is always exactly half the measure of the intercepted arc. Simply put, the angle equals 1/2 times the arc measure. To use this rule, you must identify the intercepted arc. This is the curved part of the circle that is trapped inside the angle. In our diagram, it is the highlighted curve between the chord and the point of tangency. Let's try a problem. Suppose we know the intercepted arc measures 120 degrees. To find the angle x, we simply take half of that number. 1/2 of 120 is 60, so our angle is 60 degrees. What if we know the angle and need to find the arc? Here, the angle is 45 degrees. Since the angle is half the arc must be double the angle. 2 times 45 equals 90. The arc is 90 degrees. To wrap up, remember these three things. 1. This theorem applies when a tangent meets a chord. 2. The angle is half the intercepted arc. And 3. Inversely, the arc is twice the angle. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.